And on we'll go.
Hey guys, welcome back to a video with Tony's phone collection. Today we drop testing this LG Optimus. It does work, but the touchscreen is very iffy. So it's going to pull all the plastic off of it. There's a screen. It's a generic phone, so I'm not too worried about it. There's some plastic on the top. I'll pull that off. I'm pretty sure it's a refurbished unit. And there's some on the bottom. Alrighty. So it is a new phone-ish. I think the only thing that's used is the battery cover. Let's see. Looks like there's a piece on the home button, maybe. There's not. It looks like it. It's like 28 degrees outside, guys, maybe. What the hell? We're going to pause the video and let me get it off. Alright, there we go. Let's go ahead and do the backdrop. Let me get this recording slow motion. Let's see how strong the LG is. Waist height in 3, 2, 1. I've never drop tested a new phone, so this is going to be kind of cool. At least we'll get to see the damage, you know, firsthand. And she took some marks on the back of the back cover. Nothing too bad. Screen's still good. I'm going to give it a wipe down. Screen's still good. LCD maybe? LCD's still good. Let's go and do the corner drop. Let me angle this up just a tad bit to make sure we're getting this. There you go. Let's go and do the corner drop. Waist height in 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, the battery in the back came out. Seems to be a common thing with this thing, dude. Gonna put this in. Alrighty. See, the screen is still good. It's gonna power it back up. Hit right here, as you can tell. Let's go ahead and do the face down drop, guys. See how it does. Waist height in 3, 2, 1. So it didn't crack. It did shut off though. Just gonna put this cover back on. Alrighty. See, it kind of hit up here on the top. There's like a little lip around the glass, so. Let's go ahead and do the backdrop from head height in 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, I'm gonna take a look. Looks like the battery came out. Screen's not cracked. As you can see, looks pretty good still. Push the rest of this back cover on. LCD's still good. Let's go and do the corner drop. In 3, 2, 1. Like a perfect corner drop, guys. Nose is starting to run out here. Alrighty. Put the battery back in it. And the back cover. Hopefully it survives for the throw test is what I'm hoping. Alrighty. Not sure what corner it hit. Like I said, you guys will see on the slow motion, but let's go and do the face down. Hope the little LG can stand it. In 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, the battery cover's over here. My dog's in the car. I was about to leave out. I totally forgot I had this one plugged in and charging, so I had to come back out and finish it real quick. Oh, it survived. Look at that. LCD's still good. Let's go and do the third drop. Alrighty. Swap hands. If I don't drop the phone because it's cold. In 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna guess just by hearing the way that one hit, I'm pretty sure it shattered, guys. Here's the back cover. Looks like this piece of metal came off the back door. We're gonna pocket that. We have it. Here's the phone. Let's see. It might have hit the back. Let's see. Did it survive, guys? What are you thinking? Oh, it did? LCD's still good and everything. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.